Hi everyone, it's Vanna for KelownaNow.com. I'm here at Playtime Casino where they're hosting their official grand opening. Let's go inside and check it out.
Alright, I'm Clarissa Pruden. I'm the general manager of the new Playtime Casino at 1300 Water Street in Kelowna. It's our reveal. We've been building up for this, getting everything ready, and now we're ready to be public to Kelowna, saying that here we are Playtime with the match and buffet, and we're ready to entertain you. Today is our big celebration. We're having the event here for our VIPs, and then from 6 till 9 we're open to the public. We're a big kids playground now. We've got the full service buffet, which is fantastic, great food. We've got Match, which is a fantastic place to get together for dates, date night, girls' nights, all that sort of thing. And just redefining our gaming floor, moving our gaming tables around to just provide a better, more exciting experience. Just want to be that local place where people come, they have a good time, they're great staff, and just a good atmosphere, right? Just want to be that place to go in the downtown core.
Well, there you guys have it. If you didn't know about all the new and exciting additions here at Playtime Casino, now you know. It is officially open, and for KelownaNow.com, I'm Spanna Bagshaw.